All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you news from cryptocurrency from all over the corners of the world about cryptocurrency, from Bitcoin to Ethereum to Dogecoin to mining cryptocurrency, mining different Litecoins, all kinds of different strategies. So it's going to be a pretty exciting episode today. Today, we're going to be talking about 4 main mistakes that beginners and veterans make when buying cryptocurrency. Number 3 is a doozy, so you're going to definitely want to pay attention to number 3. But to be honest, all 4 of these, I mean, they're actually all pretty important. So if you've been doing this for a while or you're brand new to this, all 4 of them, but number 3 is a doozy. If you can go ahead and hit the like button right below here and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon that you can get our new upcoming videos so you don't miss out on anything. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so Market Watch says right here, 4 mistakes too many new cryptocurrency investors make. So these are 4 of the things that you're going to want to pay attention here. So when we take a look at this right here, so number 1, and it says you don't buy the right stuff. What does that mean? You don't buy the right stuff. You don't buy the right Bitcoin. There's all kinds of different Bitcoins out there. There's Bitcoin Cash. Well, let's take a look at what it says here. So right here, look at this. There's Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash. Right here, there's also Bitcoin Gold. Take a look at the gold. There's Bitcoin Silver right here. There's also Bitcoin Private. So basically, there's a lot of different types of Bitcoins. So when you're buying the stuff, the Bitcoin, you just can't assume that Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Gold and Bitcoin Silver are the same, because they're not. For example, an apple and an orange are not the same fruit. They are both fruits. So Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Gold is a fruit, but guess what? They're different. So just take a look at what it says. Right here, that's not to say that the offshoots are it's bad or a scheme. So if you buy the wrong Bitcoin, yeah, I mean, you're not getting scammed, but here's the thing. But you don't want to buy the wrong Bitcoin. But if you do, what can you do? You can actually sell that Bitcoin back. Right here, you can always sell it back and buy it, and hopefully you'll make a profit. So the number 1 biggest thing when you're buying the different coins is you're going to want to make sure you buy the right coin. For example, Ethereum and Ethereum Classic are completely different. When Ethereum is over $2,400 and Ethereum Classic is $50 or $60, there's no way that Ethereum Classic and Ethereum can be the same thing. So just make sure when you're buying your cryptocurrency, you're buying the right cryptocurrency. That's number 1. Number 2. Well, what's number 2 here? Yep, you guessed it. You're not prepared for the wild ride. It says you're going to need nerves of steel when you get in this space because the volatility is extreme. Pretty much with cryptocurrency, your money could go up 20% one day, down 30% the next day. I mean, literally, Bitcoin was over $60,000 in May. It was down to 30-some thousand just a week ago. That's half. I mean, now it's back up over 40,000. That's fantastic. But the thing about the wild ride is you got to strap yourself in, because cryptocurrency is it's all over the board. It's up, it's down, it's to the right, it's to the left. The one thing you want to do, though, if you are going to invest in cryptocurrency, don't put your whole 100% of your eggs in one basket. You know, whatever you're investing in, maybe take 5% of what you have and put it into cryptocurrency, maybe 3%, 7%. Maybe start off with something as like $50 a month, $100 a month. It says even right here, Morris recommends that new investors commit to a normal sum at first, even as low as $50 a month, to establish cryptocurrency and how to understand it. Then forget about it. The swings and the volatility are such that investors consistently eyeing the market could drive them crazy. So you don't want to be, put your money in and go about your business. So number 2, basically strap yourself in for the wild ride. With that, we're going to go ahead and do a little update at the top 10 cryptocurrencies. We'll be right back. All right, so let's go ahead and check in and see what's going on in the top cryptocurrencies here. Well, number 1 is that Bitcoin. Bitcoin is actually at over $41,000 right here. The biggest thing in the last 7 days, it's up 19%. So if you got into Bitcoin about a week and a half ago, you're already up 19% on your Bitcoin. That's absolutely fantastic. So Bitcoin is coming in number 1. Ethereum here at close number 2. Take a look at this. It's almost $2,600 at the time of this video filming. It's up 19% in the last 7 days. In the last 24 hours, Ethereum's up 5%. Tether's doing okay right here. Binance Coin is up 12% in the last 7 days. Cardano is up 10% in the last 7 days. XRP, they're up 25% in the last week. So, you may want to, when you go to your different platforms that you're watching, you may want to keep an eye on XRP. That's a big movement, 25% in the last week. USD coin is exactly even. The Doge. Doge is always kind of being the top 10, the Dogecoin going to the moon. But where's Doge at? Well, Doge is up 7% in the last week. In the last day, it's only up not even 1%. Polkadot's right round in the top 10 at number 9. And look at this. I mean, come on, guys. Up 45%. Up 45% in the last 7 days. Polkadot. Woo! I'm telling you what, there's some people across this country that are doing a little Polkadot dance because 45%, especially if they got into it about 10, 12 days ago. In the last day, it's up 19%. And Uniswap is right up 25%. Binance Coin is right there at number 11. So what is it talking about? The total cryptocurrency in the last 24 hours, it's at 77 billion. The market is actually down a little 7%. So basically, what you want to do, if you're new to cryptocurrency, you're going to want to find a few coins that you're watching. Bitcoin is a very popular one. Obviously, there's more than one Bitcoin. We're learning in this video today. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Silver, Bitcoin Private. Point is you want to have a few of these coins that you're actually following. Ethereum's a good coin to follow. The Doge that's going to the moon. So there's our update of what's going on in the cryptocurrency top 10 to round it out. All right, let's talk about number 3. So I was telling you guys before that number 3 was a doozy. If you're new to buying cryptocurrency, number 3 is going to jump off the. This is super important. Number 3. So number 3, people don't double and triple check the address. What does this mean? They don't double and triple check the address. When you're actually sending, and let's read it. Believe it or not, many new veteran cryptocurrency traders have lost money sending their coins to the wrong places. Unlike a bank wire transfer, it cannot be halted or the check cannot be canceled. There are often no recourses if you're made a fat finger error. Don't do it. Could cost you thousands upon thousands of dollars by making a fat finger mistake here. Let's go a little bit further. This one article here is talking about his one friend lost $4,000. And what happened? He sent the transaction. He told him, he basically sent it to right up here. Take a look. He sent the USDT to USDC. And just like that, the account, he asked and called, and it said it was gone. So the point of the matter is, you want to make sure you basically double, triple check it. It's a long 14, 15, maybe 20-digit letters and alphabets and everything. It's the code. You're just going to have to make sure when you're buying the cryptocurrency, you copy and paste the code in the proper place. Because if you don't, you're going to send it to the wrong thing. Where can you get your cryptocurrency? There's different platforms. Robinhood's a good platform. Coinbase is a good platform. Gemini, eToro. There's Binance is a good platform. There's a few different places you can actually get. Number 4, you forget your password. Why there's only 21 million Bitcoins that have ever been mined, there's less that are being traded. Simply lost. People have forgotten the passwords in digital wallets. You can't call somebody to reset your password if you forgot it or lost it or if you locked it out. Around, and listen to this, around 20%, 20% of the Bitcoins mined so far are lost and stranded in digital wallets. That's 1 out of 5. So for every $5, $1 is in a digital wallet locked up somewhere, and people lost their passcode and stuff. So, what are some things you can do? Therefore, how will you store your passcode is critical. Basically, it talks about writing it down on a piece of paper, but the problem with writing it down on a piece of paper is not durable. Over years and years, it could, just not go away. And then he talks about the Houston flood here, that when the hurricanes came in there and basically Houston was hit, it was a terrible flood. Many of those careful hidden passwords were dissolved in the swamplands. So the thing about it is, with your password, you're going to have to make sure. You could write it down in a pad somewhere. You may want to basically make it Put it somewhere maybe on your iPhone or whatever. Double check it. Even if, put it down somewhere and put it into a safe. Key thing is you're going to want to make sure you know where your passwords are at. So, that's number 4, the passwords. Again, basically, there's 4 basic things that we were talking about. Don't buy the wrong Bitcoin. Don't buy the wrong coin. You're going to want to make sure you basically you're doing that. You don't want to basically you don't want to send it to the wrong address. So when you're sending your coins and everything, you want to make sure you do send it to the right address. You don't want to forget your passcode when you do that. I mean, these things are super, super important. So basically, a couple things here. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. We bring you a new episode every single day to keep you involved in what's going on. We'll have some more videos coming out, basically. If you can go ahead and click right here, it's going to have our latest video on how you can mine from home and make anywhere from $20,000 to $40,000 from home mining cryptocurrency. If you can click right here, it's going to have our most recent video. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you can basically never miss out on any of our awesome episodes. We do travel around the country and we do episodes from other different places, which is awesome. And then also make sure you hit that like button. So from Frank's Crypto Corner, we're bringing you all this news. We got Bitcoin, we got Ethereum, we got all kinds of things that we're going to be helping people. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.